Okay, good day everybody, good morning. What I'm going to show you guys today is how we come to use these grid lines. You see these stuffs here, these grid lines, your A, B, C, and your 1, 2, 3. Usually these grid lines are used in construction field. Yeah, for noting of columns that are matching together, aligning columns, be it horizontal, be it vertical. That is the essence of this your columns, this your grid lines we use here. So in a drawing plan, grid line can be as much as depending on how many columns the structural engineer will need. But we as the architects, we just make sure we identify all the matching walls and all the columns and all the joints which are necessary to hold this building down there. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to show you guys how to insert these grid lines on this our duplex. Actually, this is a six bedroom duplex. The first floor is already so I'm going to be working on this ground floor for you guys. So watch me as I begin. So I'm going to be deleting these stuffs. I will be deleting them. I highlight and I delete them. I highlight the same parts here to delete that one, delete and make the same process here and delete that one. So we are going to be putting that. How do we locate our grid lines? Come back here to your left hand side. You will see from your document tab we have this grid line element too. So I'll double click on my grid line element to it opens my dialog box. So usually it comes with your floor plan section and your naming rules. So the ones we are working on, we are making use of the floor plan grid lines. So always make sure you select these grid lines too. This one here that has this circle top and your straight line and all of that. So the line we're going to be using is going to be a dash type line, that line that cuts across the whole plan. So it's going to be a dash line, and I'm going to be showing it on all stories, not only the home story down or one story up, on all stories. So make sure you show it on all stories. Leave all these ones like this, leave this tag, and I'm going to show you guys later. Now come over to your marker type. Now the pen we are going to be using is going to have been selected already. So the size of this circle, you can see that circle here. Look at this circle. That is the size of the circle we are going to be using, 3 millimeters. So the text pen is already black and the marker type is already black. Now come over to your text style. Your text style comprises of the handwriting you want inside. So I'm going to leave everything defaults. Now come over here to where you're okay. Now we are set to go by placing those grid line tools. Now first of all, once you have selected those things and you have activated them, now come to this point. This mouse will automatically select the center of that block. So you click there. Now you take your hand either to this side or either to this side. So I'm taking my hand outside here. You're seeing what you selected. Now you click on it, extend this one outside, extend this one outside this way. Come over to this part, extend this one, extend it from here outside. Make sure you use that purple head there. There's a purple head showing, not the black one. You extend it outside, make sure it's straight. You click. So all sides now are good to go. So you are seeing there is kind of the letter is bigger than this the circle itself. So you have to select it. Now locate this your settings dialog box, open it. What you have to do is to increase the size of that our marker. You have seen it is on 3 points, so I'll make it on 5. You see it's bigger now. Then click on OK. Let's check it has changed. So this size is now okay for what you want. Are you seeing it? So I will need to start duplicating this particular grid line to match other grid lines. So what I will do, whenever I see a line coming down horizontally, I will put any block horizontally, I will put it. So let's go to work. You click. Now apply your Control Shift D. You've seen that. Now come over here, collect this center from this center here. To select the center, click on it. Now I'll bring it down to the center of this one. Are you seeing it? You apply the same Control Shift D. But if I don't want to do that many long method, what I'll just do, I'll right click on here, come over to move, then I'll drag multiple copies using that an easy method. So I will click on this one now, bring down to this other side here. It's going to select the center. It has selected it. You still bring it down to this part here. Depending on the kind of construction work you're having. It has selected the center, and apply the same thing for this one here too. We're going to select the center. Then apply the same here. Let me leave that one and select this next one. Select this other line. Then my Control Shift D, click on it and you select place at the center. You come over to this next one, Control Shift D, select that one and place at the center. Also apply the same for this other one here. Remember, all the horizontal walls, we are matching them. So remaining this one here, so I'm going to select it and click and bring over to this center. Remember, these two walls here, they're not matching. So what I'm going to do, that is from the design, I'll still make sure I select this one and put this one at the center. Bring another one for the center of that one. You've seen that. So let's check if all our walls are correct. No, so this one is missing. This one within this toilet side. I'll put one here, because that is a joint taking a block down. Taking a block up. So I've put one there. Which other one is remaining? Which other one is remaining? I think we are done with all the horizontal walls. Now, what is left for me is how we can now change these stuffs here. These these letters. These letters. How do we now make these letters go alphabetically? Now this one is A. Come over to this one. You can make this one B. How do we do that? You select this one. Select this one. Come over to your setting dialog box. Now go over to your naming rules. You see your naming rules. Now it's already selected on custom. Highlight it and make that one B. It must be in capital letter B. Now you click on OK. Seeing that, you apply the same for this one. I'll control Shift T, select it, Control Shift T, instead of going to my dialog box there. Control. Okay, your naming rules, make that one C, sorry, letter C, and OK. Come over to this one, letter D, and OK, letter E, and OK. What do we have next? F. We have F next, and what I'm going to be putting here is G, E, F, G, H. Sometimes this will make you to forget your alphabetical order. After G, H, we have H. Just apply the same method for all of them. It's not that hard. G, H, I. Now there's a little bit of confusion here. Are you seeing this? So what we have to do, make this other one that is hidden at the back of this one, select it. You see this button here, now we have to stagger it. Take it up, you click and drag. That's what you have to do. You click and you drag. Let me go back again, Ctrl Z. I've selected that one that is hiding at the back. You see this button, see this purple head. There are two here, so select this other one now. Click on it, then you drag it